Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download IntelliJ IDEA Community on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download IntelliJ IDEA Community on Windows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA and press enter. Click on the link that leads you to the official JetBrains website. Once the website loads, look for the download button located prominently on the page. Click on the download button to proceed to the download options. You will see two versions available, Ultimate and Community. Select the Community version, as it is free and open source. After selecting, the download should automatically begin. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded installer file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. You will be prompted to choose an installation directory. You can leave the default setting or select a new folder. Click Next to proceed after selecting your desired installation directory. You will have the option to choose additional installation options. Check the boxes based on your preferences. Click Next to continue. Finally, click the Install button to start the installation process. The installation may take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, you can choose to run IntelliJ IDEA immediately by checking the box. Click Finish to close the installer. Now, IntelliJ IDEA Community is installed on your Windows computer. You can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop. Double-click the IntelliJ IDEA icon to launch the application. Follow the initial setup instructions to configure your IDE for first-time use. You are now ready to start coding with IntelliJ IDEA Community on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.